I'll be making Surge, and you start with the body, and well, you put the feet on, like that, and then you put the arms on, easy peasy. Then you put these arms on, like that, and then we put the arm on. I think you put it like that, Done. Then you put this hand, well, over here. And then you put this hand there. And then you put this bit there. I think that might be it, yeah. And then I put this there. I put that here, I think, yeah. And I put this there, clip on. Then I put the feet on like so. Like clip on, don't like me. I think, yeah, just I need to twist it like that. So you have part of that all done. Then you do the head. I think you go like that, and then you clip that on. That's so. I'll be using that bit in a minute. And this is the weapon. Put this blue tube in. Put that there, and you connect that bit there for his gun. Look. Body chest like that. Bit filly, but then you put, I think you put a bit muddled up. Oh yeah, you put that bit there, I think. Yeah, put that bit there. I think I'm doing a bit wrong, but oh yeah, put the body on. Should look better. Ah yeah, you put that bit there. Should look like that. Body on. That, and then you put the weapon in. I think you put it in that, I think. Bit confusing here. Confused, but I think I find it out. Can't find out. Yeah, I think. No, it's not there. Like It's just taking a while because you connect that bit. If I turn, just take the hand out. I think you connect that bit there. Yeah, you put that bit like there. See, like that. And then you flip the hands together like so. Oh, it came off again. So like that. And there's Surge.